Welcome to our giant banana greenhouse.
Incredible. How do you grow them so large?
It's all about the controlled environment.
Can we see the fruit?
Of course, right this way.
The corms look strong and well rooted. Yes, and the mulch is keeping the soil moist. Good. Let's check the next row.
Let's document this stage. The pseudostem is 45 centimeters, capturing the fruit clusters. Excellent.
The soil texture is ideal. Let's check the pH. Inserting probe now. Excellent. 6 point. Perfect for the giants. Extending the pole to the top, looks like about 6 meters. I'll confirm with the laser. Amazing height.
This cluster's yield is exceptional. Yes, recording it now. This batch looks good. Check for spots. Yes, peels are smooth. This one is fine. Agreed. Moving to next crate.
Hold the base steady. It's unfolding well. Smooth it down carefully. All set here. Good. Let's move to the next.
Check these for spots and uniformity. Yes, this bunch looks good. No blemishes. Good. Pack this one and check the next. Understood. This one is clear too.
The shipment details for the giant bananas look complete. Yes, but let's verify the quantities against the packing list. Agreed. The weight here seems a bit high. Okay, I'll make a note. Good. The veins are strong and evenly spaced. Yes, and the texture is firm, not brittle. Checking the underside now for spots. It's healthy, no discoloration.
These samples are larger than usual. Let's check for consistency. Agreed. The color and texture seem uniform. I'll weigh this one for the mass record. Good. Note any peel imperfections.
The new nutrient mix is accelerating growth beyond projections. We're on track for a 45% yield increase.
Height and biomass are climbing steadily.
Nutrient levels are optimal, no anomalies. Good, let's project the maturation phase. Simulating now, it looks very promising.
Look at these bunches. The size is excellent. Yes, and the color is uniform, a very healthy crop. Good, let's check the next row.
Steady now, let's support the weight. I've got the base. A clean cut, excellent. It looks perfect, let's set it down.
These premium packages are ready for the next shipment. Yes, applying the labels now for international distribution. All labeled, moving them to the pallet.
The pressure is low here. Check this line. Okay, I'll adjust the emitters. Good, let's check the next row. The flow is better now.
Let's confirm the shipping details for the giant banana export. The schedule is tight. Can we expedite the containers? I've checked. We can adjust for the next vessel. Good, I'll update the documentation now.
The satellite data shows strong growth in phase 1. Yes, and the soil analysis matches. Phase 2 looks promising. Agreed, we should prioritize irrigation in the northern expansion. I'll coordinate with the team.
The schedule shows Section A on the 15th. Agreed. Section B will be ready by the 20th. What about labor and trucks? They're arranged. Section C is on the 25th. Good. Let's check the plants.
These meet the size specs. Let's check for blemishes. This bunch is clear, separating the smaller ones. Pallets are ready for the sealed boxes. Good. Log the counts and we're clear.
Welcome. Let's discuss giant banana sustainability. Agreed. We must address water use. Our report shows a 15% efficiency gain. Can we replicate that at scale? Yes. We need to optimize logistics and partnerships.
The experimental group shows a 20% yield increase. Yes, and the p-value is below 0.05. The control group also optimized irrigation next. Agreed, let's plan the next trial.
All right, team, begin the safety checks. Pressure valves are stable. Good. Check the emergency shutoffs. Shutoffs are functional. All clear, ready for operation.
Welcome to our giant banana greenhouse.
Incredible. How do you grow them so large?
It's all about the controlled environment.
Can we see the fruit?
Of course, right this way.
The temperature here is critical for the bananas. It's at 13.5 degrees. I'll adjust it now. Good. Monitor the humidity as well. Humidity is stable at 85%. Excellent. Let's check the next unit.
The 5-year growth projection looks promising. Yes, but year 3 shows a slight dip. We must consider external market risks. Agreed. Let's monitor and adjust quarterly.
Check this batch for spots. They look good, very uniform. Good. This crate passes. Proceed to the next one.
Check the tension on the main belt. Understood. I'll tighten it now. The hooks look good. What's next? Lubricate the joints, then test the lift.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. These giant bananas represent Philippine cultivation. Indeed, they are twice the size of regular bananas. With this success will transform agriculture and boost our local economy. Thank you.
Climate change demands resilience for our giant bananas. Agreed, drip irrigation will help, and shade nets against the heat. We must also find drought-resistant varieties. Yes, and train our workers.
Let's review the shipping terms for the giant bananas. The Incoterms are FOB, insurance is our responsibility. And the tariffs, have those been updated? Yes, they're in the addendum. We're all set. Perfect. Let's proceed.
Brothers, a record harvest! The giant bananas are here! Truly a blessing! Look at their size! Respect to the earth for this gift. Indeed, let us gather them with care. A great day!
These giant bananas are incredible. Yes, the harvest is a huge success. I'm capturing this for our media. This will make a great story. The community will love seeing this.
The solar panels are at peak efficiency. Excellent. And the wind turbine? Output is stable. Let's check. Impressive scale. It powers everything. Welcome. Today we explore giant banana innovations. The peel is thicker, aiding transport.
What about the yield?
Up 20% with less water.
Gentlemen, our giant banana project shows exceptional growth. Indeed, production is up 700% and distribution has expanded to 15 regions. Excellent. We must continue this momentum. We will.